Okay, today we're looking at a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LT. Alright, it's a two-wheel drive. Alright, Summit white in color. It's got 48,000 miles on it. Alright, we're going to walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the nice black caps on the side mirrors and door handles. It's got your chrome step rails down there, running boards. Alright, it does have the hard shell tonneau cover. Exact color of the truck. Alright, driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Alright, it does have the racing stripes on it here. Nice black bow tie emblem. Got your trailer hitch. Alright, trailer plug-in. Chrome bumpers. Alright, make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape here. Alright, and then once again on the hood, it's got the racing stripes up there as well. Alright, got the black bow tie in the front here. Alright, it's a 2014, 48,000 miles on it. Two-wheel drive. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Nice metallic trim here. Take the key out. There we go. Alright, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it is the two-wheel drive. Okay. Does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. Black cloth. Alright, split bench. Driver's seat's in good shape. It is a power driver's seat. Okay. Comes with two keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Alright, it does have that center console that comes down. Got your storage here. Got a, let's see, two USB ports, auxiliary outlet and power supply outlet. Okay, and the center console does come up. That creates the bench effect there. But then this lower part right here also turns into some more storage here as well. That's a nice feature that Silverado has. Passenger seat cloths in really good shape. No problems there. Got your dual climate controls here. Alright, radio, AM, FM, CD player. It's going to have your radio display right here and the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, it's got Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio controls are on the back side of the steering wheel here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 48,214 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display here. Alright, it's got all your apps on here, audio, phone, OnStar nav, settings, and Pandora. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Get your dual climate controls. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good here. Alright, it's got the nice rubber floor mats back here in the back. Back seat cloths in great shape. No issues at all back here. Everything's well maintained inside and out of the Silverado. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Go ahead and take another look here at the tonneau cover. Take a look-see under here. Got the hydraulic tailgate, comes down nice and slow. Alright, got the plastic bed liner in there. But as you can see, everything's really nice and neat back here. Carpet underneath the tonneau cover's in really good shape. Alright, just pull this right back down. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. You got 18-inch alloys on here. Alright, it's got a brand new set of tires on it. All four tires look brand new. Alright, you can tell by the amount of tread there. A ton of tread left. Alright, once again, it's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LT, two-wheel drive. It's got 48,000 miles on it. Alright, it's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.